You always lose this magic button. Ah, it's here. So, my name is Inga Springe. I'm from Baltica, which is investigative journalism center. For last couple of years, we were investigating and analyzing Latvia's education system, and then we realized actually that there is one more problem, and it's demography, and it correlates a lot with education. And while traveling around Latvia and visiting different kind of schools, I suddenly noticed that in one region particularly, there were schools which were now closed down because not enough of sufficient students of number, and these buildings were replaced, and now there are homes for old people. And it was one particular district in Latvia, this Gulbene and Jaungulbenes municipality, where it was like really, really very noticeable. So I went to my editor and my colleague Sanit, and I said we should do something about this because it's a serious problem. And if you see some numbers in the future, like after 10 years, half of Latvian population will be 50 years and older, there will be half less children born. So who is going to pay taxes? Who is going to pay taxes for healthcare system? And then we decided, okay, let's go for this demography project, as we called it. And as always, what works best, it's stories. People understand stories. We all live from stories. If you buy a milk in a shop, it's all about the story why you buy a particular milk. And that's why we decided that we also, to make this topic more related to the people, we chose this particular method how to start the project. So we took photo of last graduation in particular school building, and then we went to these houses of old people, and we took makeup stylists with us. We made them like nice haircuts, hairstyles, and makeups, and we made these photos. And these were just like some of them. It was really like sad feeling about this is what's the reality. And also at the end we summarize, like you can see these red dots. These are the places in Latvia where were schools before, and now there are old people's houses. So to make this project, in addition, of course, we are journalists, we know how to tell stories, how to analyze facts, but we needed someone to create these facts. And then there was this very lucky coincidence that we spoke with Zane, who is also based in Stockholm School, where we are based. And Zane, as a demography expert, she was very willing and interested to help us with facts. So all summer we were asking her questions, and it was both wise cooperation, and she created these facts for us so we could actually use afterwards. And then also one day Chris and Tobias came over and they said we also want to do something, work on topic which is important for Latvia. And they were really supportive for us, and like financial wise and advice wise in this case. So it was how all this project happened on all three sides, like expert, journalists, and also donors came together and we made this project. So it was my short introduction, and now I would like to invite Zane to come and tell what she actually discovered while analyzing all these facts.